So how about an estate planning checklist? What should somebody have if they're considering going to an attorney and getting their estate planned, whatever that means? Well, what it means is we want to make sure a couple of things are for sure in place, and some of the things that you may want to put in place. The things you want to make sure you've got in place are things that are going to affect you directly. First, that's going to be something called an advance directive. At least that's what it's called in some states. In other states, it may be called a medical power of attorney or a living will. We want to make sure the health care stuff is covered, and covered very well. We want to make sure that if you are unable to make medical decisions for yourself, you've got somebody in place that can make those decisions for you. And frankly, if it comes down to a situation where the plug needs to be pulled on you, which we hope it doesn't, but it might, we want to make sure we've got proper legal authority for the people you love and trust to pull the plug whenever you have pre-selected that it should be pulled. Another thing we can do is provide you with a HIPAA release. A HIPAA release is a health privacy release that allows your doctors to actually talk to your family. So first and foremost, we want to take care of health care. Then we want to take care of your money. Two things there too. First, in the event of an incapacity, we want to make sure we have a financial power of attorney. We may want to do a living trust, which in certain situations can be better than a financial power of attorney, but both of these documents are designed to allow somebody to manage your money if you're unable to manage it yourself. Then when you pass away, we want to either have a will or that same revocable living trust in place to make sure that the assets that you've got go to your family the way that we want to. You can incorporate other things into an estate plan, a lot of other things into an estate plan. But making sure you have these very basic documents will go a long way to making sure you're okay and your family's okay.